The 2026 Toyota Tacoma Camper Motorhome combines the durability of the Tacoma pickup with the convenience of a fully equipped camper, making it an excellent option for travelers who enjoy road trips and outdoor adventures. Its bold front design features a rugged grille, LED headlights, and a muscular bumper that gives the vehicle a confident and modern appearance. The elevated camper section blends smoothly with the truck body, creating an attractive profile while maximizing interior living space. Large side windows improve visibility and allow plenty of natural light into the cabin, making the interior feel open and welcoming. High ground clearance and a sturdy suspension system make the motorhome capable of handling highways, mountain roads, and light off-road trails with confidence. Inside, the cabin is designed to maximize comfort while making efficient use of every available inch of space. The driver enjoys a modern cockpit with supportive seating, a digital instrument display, and an intuitive infotainment system. Wireless smartphone connectivity, navigation, Bluetooth, and USB ports provide convenient entertainment and communication during long journeys. The living area includes a comfortable dinette that can serve as both a dining space and a relaxing seating area. The sleeping compartment offers a cozy bed with enough room for restful overnight stays, making extended camping trips much more enjoyable. A compact kitchen is equipped with essential cooking facilities, including a sink, stove, refrigerator, and storage cabinets. The onboard bathroom adds convenience with a toilet, sink, and compact shower, reducing the need for campground facilities. Multiple storage compartments throughout the motorhome help organize luggage, camping gear, clothing, and travel essentials. The interior uses durable materials that are designed to withstand frequent travel while maintaining a premium appearance. Climate control systems help keep the cabin comfortable during both hot summers and cold winter adventures. Large panoramic windows provide excellent views of nature while creating a bright and pleasant living environment. Safety remains a priority with expected features such as multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, stability control, lane assistance, and a rear-view camera. The Tacoma's reliable engine delivers strong performance and enough torque to carry the camper body without sacrificing confidence on steep roads. Its automatic transmission provides smooth gear changes, making long-distance driving relaxing and enjoyable. Fuel efficiency remains competitive for a vehicle of this size, allowing travelers to cover long distances with fewer fuel stops. The roof may include solar panels and additional storage options for outdoor equipment, enhancing off-grid camping capability. Exterior awnings create a comfortable outdoor living space where owners can relax, cook, or enjoy meals in nature. The rugged construction ensures durability even after years of adventure across different terrains and weather conditions. The motorhome is equally suitable for weekend camping trips, extended vacations, or full-time travel lifestyles. Its combination of pickup capability and RV comfort makes it far more versatile than many traditional motorhomes. Toyota's reputation for reliability gives buyers added confidence when planning long-distance journeys and outdoor adventures. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Tacoma Camper Motorhome delivers an outstanding blend of comfort, practicality, durability, and adventure-ready performance, making it an excellent choice for travelers seeking freedom, convenience, and reliable camping experiences.